Imagine stepping outside on a clear night. Above you, a breathtaking sight unfolds. A giant, luminous ring encircling our planet. Earth now boasts a dazzling halo, much like Saturn's majestic rings. These rings, composed of countless icy particles, would reflect sunlight, casting an ethereal glow upon Earth. The night sky would never be truly dark again. Even during the day, the rings would be visible, a constant reminder of the cosmos's grandeur. Our planet would take on an alien beauty, forever altering our perception of our place in the universe. Imagine the myths and legends that would arise, inspired by this celestial marvel. Our artistic endeavors would reflect the profound impact of this cosmic spectacle. From science fiction to everyday stargazers, Earth with rings would be transformative. A celestial ballet of light and shadow would play out above us, reminding us of the vastness of the cosmos. The appearance of these rings would vary depending on your location on Earth. Imagine standing at the equator, the ring planes slicing across the sky above, a brilliant band of light dividing the heavens in two. From the poles, the rings would appear as a mesmerizing disk, hovering overhead, a constant presence in the sky. As Earth spins on its axis, the rings would rise and set just like the sun and moon, casting intricate patterns of light and shadow across the landscape. Their visibility would also change with the seasons, their tilt relative to the sun, creating periods of greater or lesser illumination. The rings wouldn't just be a static spectacle. The play of light and shadow, the changing seasons, and the movement of Earth itself would create an ever-shifting celestial display. Travelers venturing to different latitudes would witness the rings from unique perspectives, each view offering its own breathtaking beauty. This celestial ballet would undoubtedly inspire a new generation of astronomers and explorers, eager to unlock the secrets of this newfound wonder. The study of Earth's rings would become a scientific pursuit in its own right, enriching our understanding of planetary science and our place in the cosmos. The presence of massive rings would have significant scientific impacts, affecting everything from our oceans to our weather. The rings' gravitational pull, while weaker than the moon's, would still influence Earth's tides, potentially creating more complex tidal patterns. Coastal regions would experience alterations in their ebb and flow, demanding adjustments to navigation and coastal living. Furthermore, the rings could disrupt weather patterns. The icy particles composing the rings might interact with Earth's atmosphere, influencing cloud formation and precipitation. Some scientists speculate that the rings could even trigger more extreme weather events, such as storms and hurricanes. The study of meteorology would be revolutionized as scientists grapple with understanding the complex interplay between the rings and our atmosphere. The prediction of weather patterns, already a complex endeavor, would become even more challenging, requiring new models and approaches to account for the rings' influence. The impact on our oceans and weather underscores the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. The introduction of this new celestial element would ripple through our planet's delicate balance, prompting us to re-evaluate our understanding of how Earth's systems function as a whole. Our moon, a constant companion in our celestial journey, plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, which in turn regulates our seasons. The introduction of rings could disrupt this delicate balance. The gravitational tug-of-war between the moon and the rings could lead to unpredictable shifts in Earth's tilt, potentially causing dramatic climate change. Imagine seasons becoming more extreme or less predictable. The temperate zones, where a majority of Earth's population resides, could experience harsher winters or scorching summers. This instability would have profound implications for agriculture, infrastructure, and the very fabric of our civilization. The presence of rings would create a fascinating celestial dynamic. While the moon currently plays a stabilizing role, the rings could introduce an element of chaos, reminding us of the delicate balance that governs our planet's systems and the potential for disruption when that balance is disturbed. This cosmic showdown between the moon and the rings highlights the interconnectedness of our solar system and the delicate dance of gravity that shapes the destinies of planets and their celestial companions. The rings wouldn't just affect our planet physically, they'd also cast literal shadows on Earth. Imagine a vast, moving shadow sweeping across continents as the rings block sunlight. These eclipses, unlike the fleeting darkness of a solar eclipse, could last for hours or even days depending on the ring's density and alignment. These periods of prolonged darkness would have significant implications for life on Earth. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, would be disrupted, potentially impacting plant growth and, by extension, the entire food chain. The study of these eclipse patterns would become a new frontier in astronomy, as scientists strive to predict their occurrence and understand their long-term impact on Earth's ecosystems. The shadows cast by the rings would be a constant reminder of their presence, influencing the rhythms of life on our planet. These dramatic shifts in light and darkness would necessitate adaptations in human behavior and technology. We might develop artificial lighting systems to compensate for the reduced sunlight, and our energy consumption patterns would likely shift in response to these periods of prolonged darkness. Section 6. A celestial mirror rings reflecting sunlight. While the rings would cast shadows, they would also reflect sunlight, potentially increasing the amount of solar energy reaching Earth. This could lead to a warmer planet overall, impacting global temperatures and potentially altering climate patterns. Imagine regions that are currently cold and icy becoming more temperate. The Arctic and Antarctic regions could experience dramatic transformations, with melting ice caps contributing to rising sea levels and reshaping coastlines around the world. The reflection of sunlight by the rings would create a complex interplay of light and shadow on Earth's surface. While some areas might experience increased illumination, others could see a decrease, leading to regional variations in temperature and weather patterns. The study of these effects would become a critical area of research, as scientists work to understand the delicate balance between the rings' shadowing effects and their ability to reflect sunlight. This research would have profound implications for our understanding of climate change and the long-term habitability of our planet. Section 7. Life finds a way, but how different would it be? Life on Earth is incredibly adaptable, but the presence of rings would undoubtedly pose challenges and drive evolutionary changes. Animals might develop new ways to navigate using the rings as a celestial compass. Plants might evolve to thrive in the shifting light conditions, optimizing their photosynthetic processes to adapt to the periods of extended darkness and increased sunlight. Imagine nocturnal animals benefiting from the brighter nights, their hunting and foraging behaviors shaped by the ring-lit sky. Conversely, diurnal animals might develop adaptations to cope with the periods of prolonged darkness, adjusting their sleep-wake cycles and foraging strategies. The study of biology would take on new dimensions as scientists investigate the adaptations of life to this extraordinary environment. The rings would become an integral part of Earth's ecosystem, influencing the evolution of species and the delicate balance of life on our planet. The presence of rings would serve as a constant reminder of the power of natural selection and the remarkable ability of life to adapt to even the most challenging environments. It would underscore the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the profound influence of celestial bodies on the evolution of life itself. Section 8. A new frontier exploring Earth's rings. The presence of rings would spark a new era of space exploration. Imagine launching missions to study the rings up close, analyzing their composition and origins. These missions could reveal insights into our solar system's formation. The rings could become a resource for future space exploration. Imagine mining the rings for water ice, a resource to sustain human outposts, or generate rocket fuel. The rings could become stepping stones to further exploration, providing resources and infrastructure to push human exploration further. This new frontier would inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and astronauts, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Section 9. Conclusion. A universe of possibilities. While the likelihood of Earth acquiring rings is astronomically small, the thought experiment allows us to explore the profound ways in which celestial bodies shape the destinies of planets and the life they harbor. It underscores the interconnectedness of our solar system and the delicate balance that governs our planet's systems. The universe is full of wonders, and the possibility of Earth with rings, however improbable, serves as a potent reminder of the vastness of the cosmos and the endless possibilities that lie beyond our own pale blue dot. It challenges us to expand our perspective, to embrace the unknown, and to never stop questioning, exploring, and imagining. The quest to understand our place in the cosmos is an ongoing journey, fueled by our innate curiosity and our desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. The hypothetical scenario of Earth with rings serves as a powerful reminder that the universe is full of surprises and that our journey of discovery is far from over.